Make your case. Mastering the art of persuasion in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful English phrase, make your case. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also vital in various professional and personal scenarios. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to make your case, and how you can use this phrase effectively. Make your case is a phrase that essentially means to present arguments or evidence in support of one's opinion or position. Imagine you are in a courtroom, and you need to convince the judge and jury about something. That's exactly what you are doing when you're asked to make your case. You are trying to persuade others to agree with your point of view. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from formal debates to everyday discussions. For example, if you're in a meeting and you have an idea, you might be asked to make your case for why your idea is the best. The key here is to provide clear, logical, and convincing arguments that support your stance. 1. In a business meeting, I believe we should expand our market to Asia. Let me make my case. 2. In a classroom discussion, I think this character is the hero of the story, and I'm ready to make my case. 3. In personal situations, I know you don't agree with me, but hear me out as I make my case. Be clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary details. Use facts and evidence. Support your case with data and examples. Understand your audience. Tailor your case to appeal to their interests and beliefs. Be confident, but not aggressive. Confidence can persuade, but aggression can turn people off. And that's a wrap on how to make your case in English. Remember, this phrase is all about persuading others with effective arguments. We hope this video helps you in your English language learning journey and in making your case successfully in any discussion. Stay tuned for more insightful videos, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Happy learning!